Welcome back to the DFWplumber.com Dallas-Fort Worth Plumbing Podcast. I'm Andrew, and today we're talking about a small device with a big job, the thermal expansion tank. If you've seen a small tank mounted above your water heater, usually blue, gray, or beige, that's it. And even though most homeowners ignore it, the expansion tank protects your entire plumbing system from excess pressure. Let's start with the basics. What is thermal expansion? Whenever water's heated, it expands. In older open plumbing systems, that expanding water could push back into the city supply, but many DFW homes now have closed systems because of pressure reducing valves, PRVs, backflow preventers, check valves at the meter. These devices keep water from flowing backward. Good for safety, but it means expanding water has nowhere to go. Pressure rises inside your plumbing just like a sealed pot. Heating on the stove, that pressure surge stresses water heaters, supply lines, faucet cartridges, toilet valves, washing machine hoses. This is where the thermal expansion tank steps in. What does an expansion tank do? Inside the tank is an air chamber and a flexible bladder. When the water heater warms water and pressure spikes, the extra volume pushes into the expansion tank. The air compresses, absorbing the pressure. When the pressure drops, the tank releases the water back into the system. It's a simple shock absorber, but incredibly important. Do all homes need one? Not all, but most modern DFW homes do. If you have a PRV, backflow preventer, or check valve, you have a closed system and need an expansion tank. Without one, pressure can easily hit 100 psi or more. Signs you don't have one or yours has failed. Water heater T and P valve dripping, toilets refilling on their own, banging or tapping in pipes, leaking faucets, frequent hose or valve failures. Most people assume their water heater is failing when the real issue is uncontrolled pressure. Signs your expansion tank is failing. It feels heavy or full of water. Relief valve starts dripping again. Water hammer increases. Corrosion appears around the fitting. It's over 7 to 10 years old. If the bladder ruptures, the tank fills completely with water and can't absorb expansion anymore. Where is it installed? Usually on the cold water line above the water heater. It must be properly supported. A full tank gets heavy. Can homeowners replace it? Some do, but incorrect pressure settings or poor mounting can cause more problems. A licensed plumber will test your water pressure, set the tank's air charge correctly, verify safe installation, inspect the heater and safety valves. It's a quick job with big benefits. Let's recap. Heating water creates expansion. Closed systems trap that pressure. Expansion tanks absorb the extra volume. Most newer DFW homes need one. Failed or missing tanks cause leaks and pressure issues. Tanks last about 7 to 10 years. If you need your expansion tank tested or replaced, visit DFWplumber.com to connect with a trusted DFW plumber. Thanks for listening. I'm Andrew, and I'll see you in the next episode.